Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. October is almost at its end, which means it's time for Halloween. So if you want to know how I got this gothic glam makeup look, let's get started. To prep my skin, I'm first using a setting spray. This one's Pack Prep and Prime. To soothe out my dry patches, I'll first be applying the hydrating primer by Makeup Forever in the areas where my skin flakes the most. Because the rest of my face falls under the normal skin type, I'll be applying the Milani Prime Perfection Hydrating Primer. To fill in the pores of my forehead and my nosy, I'm using the Baby Skin Insta Pore Eraser Primer. And for the pores under my eyes, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer because I have huge pores here. For foundation, I'm using my favorite PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9, and to blend it, I'm using my Damn Beauty Blender. And if you want more coverage, you can always use a Kabuki brush. And as you can tell with this foundation, your skin looks naturally luminous. It gives you high to medium buildable coverage, which I personally love. To brighten my high points, I'm using a concealer. This one's Pack Take Up a Concealer in the shade Stark Nude and Beach Sand. I'm going to use this mostly to highlight my under eye area, forehead, chin and nosy. And to blend it, I'm using an angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. I'm also using the Pack Take Up a Concealer in the shade Stark Nude to cover any darkness around my mouth and on my nose. And I'm blending it again using my same angled flat top kabuki brush. Beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you. To clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and to blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. To set my concealer, I'm using a loose powder. This one's New Master Fix Setting Loose Powder. I don't use normally powders because my face is already dry. So I'll just be using it in the areas where my concealer creases the most. To give some dimension and structure to my face, I'll be cream contouring my face with the Button Wild Duo Stick in the shade Medium. And to blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush. What it will do is it will help to create those shadows that got concealed with the foundation, and I'm using this in the usual places like my cheekbones, circumference of my face, chin, nosy. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone. To bring back some warmth to my face, I'll be using a bronzer. This one's Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm applying it using my angled brush. To add some color to my cheeks, I'll be using a blush. This one's the shade Candy Apple from Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palette. I'll be first depositing it using my angled brush, and then I'm blending it further with my powder brush.
All I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
For highlighter, I'm using the shade Moonstone from the Sun Dipped Glow Kit palette by ABH Cosmetics on the highest points of my face, and I'm using a fan brush to apply it. For my nose, I'm applying with a pencil brush.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe.
And to set and seal everything in place, I'm using a setting spray. This one's Pack Prep and Prime.
Beside you, I would.
For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas with this brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm using a spoolie to spread the color across so that it looks more natural. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using a concealer. This one's Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand.
Is thinking about you, not doing
And to set my concealer, I'm using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline.
'cause you're not
And to get those dramatic straight edges, I'll be using a sticky tape. I'm first warming up my crease with this deep burgundy shade Love Letter from Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay
Next, I'm lining my top lash line with the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. To smoke out my kajal, I'm picking up this charcoal eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette with my angular brow.
love to hear your voice, not sleeping well.
I'm dragging this eyeshadow till the middle of my lid.
But you should know it.
I'm topping up that charcoal eyeshadow with Love Letter from Modern Renaissance Palette by ABH Cosmetics with my angular brush, and I'm blending it using my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
Next, I'm blending the two shades together with my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics.
That I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you,
For the inner half of my lid, I am using the shade Tempera from Modern Renaissance Palette by ABH Cosmetics with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics.
that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you,
To highlight my inner corners and my brow bone, I am using the shade Tempera again with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. Next, I'm lining my top lash line with the Lakme Insta Liner.
there's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are.
I'm smoking out the same charcoal shade from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette with my pencil brush by Real Techniques, and I am smoking it out further with the shade Love Letter with my pack brush in the style 126.
Nothing really matters.
And to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'll be curling my lashes and I'll be coating them with some mascara. And this one's Total Temptation by Maybelline.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice.
For lipstick, I'm first applying the shade Tea Rose and then I'll be topping it up with Not So Wine by Faces Canada.
You've been gone for way too
And for
long.
lashes, I'm applying the Sloshy Lashes in the style Breezer.
Beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want.
And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a black top and black statement choker to give that gothic vibe. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left all the product information along with my socials in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much. Happy Halloween, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Remember, you're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would.